Smart locks have created a new home security experience with features and functionality. Smart door lock is highly favored by users for its unique appearance and diverse functions. First way to open the door is the household person's fingerprint. The smart door lock can log the data of at most 5 fingerprints. The second way to open the door is ID card. Each smart lock has 2 ID cards. The third way to open the door is the password, which is set by household person. The fourth way to open the door is traditional key opening. The fifth way to open the door is face recognition. When guests are out of door, they can ring the bell for calling the household person. The screen on the door will reflect the situation. If the household person is not at home, the mobile app can reflect the situation as well. That's intelligent to use the phone and app to control the door opening. Household person can easily press the buttons to lock or unlock the door. Household person can turn up or down the door handle to lock or unlock the door. There's an independent latch below the lock. The latch is controlled by thumb turn.